Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text to your Instagram story. So, if you have just taken any picture and you want to add text to it, you can also add any animation in the form of text or customize your text according to your needs. I'm going to show you how to do that. Open your Instagram, go to your story, choose any photo over which you want to add text. Click on it. So here you can just customize your text according to your need. You can just choose any type of format you want to write it. You can also choose a color according to your choice. You can also add certain animation, like you can also align it to the right or left or in the middle. So in this way, you can just add text to your Instagram and you can also customize it according to your needs. So once you get bored and you want to delete it, what you have to do, you have to just drag it to the little box over here you can see at the bottom and leave it here. It will delete your text from your story. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked the video. If you have any question regarding this whole process, please let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.